Can anybody tell me what's going to happen 1 month from today? We don't know. Problem and anxiety starts coming minute I step out of this today's moment. And if I start trying to solve a problem which is coming up 1 month later, I think I am crack because I am trying to solve a problem which death is a happy thing. Number one reason is I have no choice but to accept it. So I better be happy about it. If I become unhappy about it, it is only going to make me die every day while I'm living.
संडे मीटिंग रखेंगे तो ऐसे ही होगा.
तो Amit is so excited. He's like, I'm not going to take 50 minutes now. मैंने exceed कर दिया 1.5 hour का session ले रहे हो.
Everybody as excited as me? Welcome and good morning. Sunday morning. Thank you so much for joining in because it is a Sunday here. So my name is Captain Amit Bhandari and I'm a life coach, a hypnotherapist. I have been an ex-sailing captain and I'm also a certified counselor and REBT specialist, which is somebody who works with the rational emotive behavior techniques. So I've been practicing for the last 12 years along with my own profession. I am in the top management of the marine industry. Sarah's a business coach. She's been practicing for last 20 years. We will start with my session first 30 minutes. Then Sarah will take over for 30 minutes and then we'll have a Q&A with everybody. So let's start with a quick introduction. Maybe if all of you can unmute now and give me your name and that one reason why you guys are here.
Myself, Alpesh Sutaria. I'm getting some new thing about selling and life.
The reason I'm here is to understand, to learn more about marketing.
That's the right approach, actually. That you want to learn something and at the same time keep it open. You never know what's today.
I am Neha Lula from Neha Lula Jewelry, Mumbai.
Okay.
The reason I'm here is to get some life learnings from you and see how I can incorporate them in my business.
Neha, you said you're here to learn something from me. I thought I'm going to learn something from you, you know. So I think we all are going to learn something from each other today.
Company's called Ivory Rose Jewels, and from Bombay, and even I'm here just with an open mind to learn from you and from everyone and everyone's questions and experiences, I guess.
How nice, yeah. How nice. I did an MBA, and in that MBA, we never learned anything from the teacher himself or herself. We learned from our peers, you know.
Right.
And that was the biggest learning.
Why I'm here. I really want to give them out of my life what I learned from you, and I gained that. I mean, I incorporated that in my life, and I'm here.
Thank you, Srushti. Thank you. I'm so glad. Whatever I know of Srushti and whatever I can share is I have seen tremendous change in Srushti in her approach to life and the way she's a smiling lady and she's got such a beautiful smile and she uses it.
Thank you.
So, welcome, Srushti.
So I've come here to learn and grow personally and professionally, I guess. And I think you need the right attitude during these times actually to grow your business more than anything else. I think everybody needs a life coach now.
Somebody like life coach in the jewelry industry.
This is Vijay Jain sir from VK Jewels, Mumbai.
Hi.
We have a brand called TTF, which stands for Today, Tomorrow, Forever. But in this industry, there are really few major problems in the business which gets onto our life also, like lack of confidence, insecurity, competitions, which are not ethically. So I don't know, but how this life coach Amit sir is going to help me in coping up this all major issues nowadays what happening in the industry.
So you are in the right place, Vijay, because join me because I'm also insecure. So, I don't know love unless I know hate. So, I don't know security unless I also know insecurity. So,
Right.
it's just that how we're going to deal with it. We are all humans. Saying that I don't get insecure is wrong. But there are some tips and tools where I know it has worked for me and I have been able. So, that is what we are going to share today. So, welcome, Vijay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hi, Vinay Jain.
Hi, Amit. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vinay Jain from Surat. My company name is PR Jewels. Actually, we are into diamond jewelry manufacturing. Mostly, we serve in B2B industry only. The reason I am here, I think for something new learning and ये time पे best है learning and learning. ये best time है कुछ सीखने का.
Time, when very similar to when you are single and you're not in a real relationship, that's when you only concentrate on yourself and you concentrate on becoming a better person. So I think COVID is also very similar. Now, who loves surprises among all of you? So, what is the last surprise anybody had, Srishti?
Can you come as a life coach on this? And you said yes. And then all my this participants members and they appreciated. I mean, they agreed to it. So that was a biggest surprise for me that I did it.
Great, Ankit.
Somebody asked me to get into into B2C with a retail outlet, so I'm very excited.
Very nice. So, guys, how many of you are excited about this COVID surprise?
Ah.
Not at all
We all are
excited.
surprised. We all are
Surprised, but
We have forgotten our definition of surprise. Surprise is a surprise. Now it is in your favor, then you find
Or
it
not.
weird. And if it is not
I-
in your favor, then it is not a nice surprise. But unfortunately or fortunately, surprise is a surprise. Now the way you take it is up to you. Now, what
I think the only excitement for me is spending time with my daughter because I've hardly got so much time in such a long time since she's born, probably.
Oh, yes, COVID has brought a lot of learnings to a lot of people, which we'll summarize in the end. What learnings I have got out of COVID, maybe all of you will also. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what the subconscious mind and what hypnotherapy is about in very, very short. We have two minds. One is the conscious mind and one is the subconscious mind. Conscious mind is only 10% of you. Subconscious mind is 90% of you and it is 6,000 times more powerful. What happens is, for the subconscious mind, anything that is known is pleasure. Anything that is unknown is fear and pain. Anything that is known is pleasure. Anything that is unknown is fear and pain. So, a smoker will never give up smoking, no matter how much you tell him it's not good for him. Because when he lifts his cigarette again, he always checks his past memory. And the past memory says it was pleasure. It is known to me. Means I have lifted a cigarette before, it was good. So it is pleasure. So today, COVID is a very unknown territory. Nobody knows what's going to happen ahead. So what happens? The subconscious mind or the subconscious mind, anything which is unknown is going to cause a fear, and it is a fact which we all need to accept. What is the first step to take to solve a problem? Let us solve this problem of COVID. What is the first step that anybody should take to solve a problem? Anybody who can unmute and talk about it?
I think it's.
What is
I
the
think
first step?
I think understand the problem thoroughly to begin with.
Okay, very nice. Anybody else?
Be ready to accept this.
No.
Very good. My God, she just absolutely on the head. You know what happens is most of the time, or 90% of the time, we are not ready to accept that we have a problem. And here, what is the problem? The problem is future is unknown. Can anybody tell me what's going to happen 1 month from today? We don't know. But we are not ready to accept. I don't know what is going to happen. So a problem which is accepted is 50% solved. I'm not going to try to solve a problem of knowing the future when I've accepted. Is everybody with me? So far, all good? So anybody driven before COVID, anybody is driven from on long drives? So what happens is when we actually take a trip, let's say from Bombay to Pune, we do know we want to go from Bombay to Pune. That general idea we are aware of. But at any given time, you will only concentrate on the road which your headlight shows. You will not concentrate on the turn which is coming after 5 kilometers, correct? And now in COVID, why are we trying to see 1 month ahead when it is not even come to you? So number one tip which I am following is I have stopped planning anything beyond 7 days. That is a hardcore planning, knowing what I think I know I'm going to do in the next 7 days, generally speaking. Beyond that, I have a general idea, like I want to go to Pune. But my planning and my roadmap will keep changing every 7th day because I have accepted one core issue, which is I have a problem that I don't know what's going to happen. Friends, anxiety happens when you start trying to solve a problem which does not exist. What is my problem today? Right now, if you ask me what is my problem, I have no problem. I am sitting here with my family members who are on the webinar with me. We are having a chat. I am drinking a glass of water. I am sitting in an air-conditioned room, but I have no problem. Does anybody have any problem in this given moment? Everybody is sitting comfortably, no? So there is no problem. Problem and anxiety starts coming minute I step out of this today's moment. And if I start trying to solve a problem which is coming up 1 month later, I think I am crack. I am crack. Because I am trying to solve a problem which 1 month later, future has not even come and we are trying to solve it. Obviously going to get anxiety because the parameters are going to change so drastically. By the time you reach there, you will not even have a problem. You know, only these are the ghosts of a problem. And the mind is always going to treat anything which is unknown as fear, and fear is pain. Very, very clear. We don't like to be in an atmosphere where we don't know what's going to happen. That's why the pain is there. So I cannot take your situation away. Situation of COVID is there. I cannot take that away. But I can detach that from the pain which everybody is going through. So far, everybody is with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we're here.
Wonderful. So, guys, if I may ask you, how happy are you in this given moment? From a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 being that you're highly depressed.
My daughter had created a card for me
Okay.
in the morning.
So that is a momentary happiness. I'm talking about what is that number if 1 is highly depressed and 10 is you are super happy and you know life is so great.
I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm 9 at the moment. In the COVID
very
time.
nice.
Who
I
said
think
this?
Shruti should be telling
Shruti.
us it's 9.
Yes, because
Wow.
I have been doing a lot of things that I wanted to do since last 4-5 years and I didn't get time to do. Like,
Wow.
and I'm doing all of that in last 3 months.
Guys,
Every
take
day I
note
make
of
it, oh,
this.
today I want to do this because I didn't get time to do it. It's not postpone it. We've been postponing this family shoot for like last 2 years. It was supposed to be on my daughter's first birthday. Then it was supposed to be on a third birthday. Then I said, okay, let's do it next year. And then it's just been postponing. I said, no, even today, if she's ready to come for 5 clicks, I don't mind. Let's do it 5 clicks today. Whenever we plan a proper shoot, we will do it next month. But today we are doing 5 clicks for sure. So I think COVID has given me an opportunity to do a lot of things that I didn't get time for.
Oh, nice, Shruti. Guys, that is one big learning lesson from our peer group here. So please note down, because she just spoke everything to the point. It is a time to do things that you love to do and you never had time for it. But
Yeah, and
don't-
like I feel, and right now, you feel you can't postpone it, like, because it is uncertainty of whether you will be alive 2 months later.
My
I
God.
have lost friends in last 1 year of my age.
Yeah.
So I have been very this about, I don't know if maybe tomorrow I'm not there.
Very true. Actually, unfortunately, I have also lost almost 3 people that we know very closely. And we sat in meetings with them and they said, yeah, I'm not feeling well. So we kept a good social distancing. We were a little scared. But after 10 days, we came to know that he's very, very critical. And then we tried calling him. And then just 5 days ago, we came to know he's passed away. So that is also a learning that I came to me. I said, what the hell are we planning so far ahead? This guy's name is Walter. We were like, Walter was just here, just like me, thinking he's going to do that. He's going to plan this, he's going to do that. And suddenly there is no more Walter. He's just gone. We pass his house and we say, that number is not going to ring anymore. So I take death not as an unhappy thing. It's a very, very happy thing because it's part of life. So it's a very good learning to take and realizing that none of us are here forever.
Sir, I don't know, but how you think that death is a happy thing?
Death is a happy thing. Number one reason is I have no choice but to accept it. So I better be happy about it. If I become unhappy about it, it is only going to make me die every day while I'm living.
True.
So let's not do that. Let's actually, death is going to happen to you. It's happened to our great grandfathers. It's going to happen to my parents. It's going to happen to me, to my kids. We are all going to die. So let's just cheer about it. Let's be happy. Hip hip. Hooray.
Hooray.
They're all going to die. Let's be so happy. So that itself gives us this very limited time, and you want to do this time while you want to fret and get frustrated or really start enjoying it. These statements we've all heard, but really putting it to practice and repeating it to yourself every morning. Very important. All the principles, tips and tools we're talking today, if you take a small note of it and use it every morning like a bath. If you don't mind, just mute your mics because somebody's scraping their patila or something.
Yeah, Neha, I think.
Srushti, what number are you at? We'll ask everybody very quickly. 10. My God, she's at a 10. Very good.
Reason being,
Yeah.
Amit, I'll share, because क्या हुआ था जैसे लॉकडाउन हुआ, everybody was like, oh shit, अभी क्या हो जाएगा, uncertainty, पता नहीं क्या होगा, market कहाँ जाएगा, how should we be, मतलब everybody was in panic. So no doubt I was having a big event of my life, and I started thinking, जैसे आपने कहा, it should have some solution. ये तो है, ये fix है. Now what? So what solution I got is, I did challenges. In those times, मैंने awards कर दिए. June में I'm a jury on international panel.
It's very important that you create goals for yourself. We are going to be doing a lot of webinars. We are already doing a lot of webinars. One of them is going to be on goal strategy and how you make your goals and how you live them. So, Alpesh, if very quickly you can tell me what number are you at today?
8, sir.
8, very good. Are all super people here, yaar. Vinay,
तभी है वो DY में, तभी है वो लोग. They all are
बिकॉज सर
very-
मेरा जो पूरा शेड्यूल है, मेरा पूरा शेड्यूल फिक्स है, मॉर्निंग 6:30 टू नाइट तक का. मॉर्निंग
Sorry.
6:30 में मेरा वेकअप टाइम है.
Oh, nice.
टाइम है.
What a simple, straightforward shit. This is a time that I have started appreciating simplicity, because we've actually do roti kapda makan, you know, and we will talk about that. Vinay, very quickly, can you tell us what level are you at?
सर अगर हम फैमिली की बात करें एंड ये दिस कोविड लॉकडाउन एंड ऑल दैट, तो 10 आउट ऑफ 10, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफ में ऐसा टाइम मिला है लाइक फैमिली के साथ बेस्ट टाइमिंग हमने किया है. सुश्री जी को भी मालूम है, इनका कई बार शाम को फोन आता है तो मैं और मेरी वाइफ साइकिलिंग पे होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड मॉर्निंग वही योगा एंड ऑल दैट. फिर बच्चों किड्स के साथ बहुत अच्छा टाइम जा रहा है. अगेन सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, लाइक आप जैसे लाइफ कोच हैं, आज आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने को मिला. फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे अपने बिजनेस में टाइम मिला है कि अपने बिजनेस को ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे कर सकूं.
So, you know, this is also a time where simplicity that you bring into your life is also going to be a rational decision, because COVID is real. हम सबको हिट किया है, हम सबके बिजनेस को हिट किया है. It's a time that you cut down your overheads. Very simple statement, but this is a time of that. Get back to a very simple life. Enjoy what you are having, and simplicity and overheads cut down. So, Ankit, what level are you at?
I'm at a score of 5.
Okay.
It's a 50-50 position.
Okay, Ankit. So you are at a 5, and which is not a very happy situation, I would say.
Yeah,
So,
right.
what we'll do is, post this webinar, you please call me, and we will have a 15-minute free session with you on life coaching.
Thank you. Thanks
And
a lot.
we'll see
Okay.
how we can. Yeah, Vijay.
I rate myself from 8 out of 10. I want to part it divided into 3. One was loved ones. We got quality time. Quality means we got 24 hours, 7 days a week, and 3 months to spend with them, because we were not going anywhere out. So it was like 24/7 with the kids, with the wife, with the mother, with the father. So
Vijay, you are saying this is a happy part, right?
yes, of course, it's a happy part. Of course, it was a happy part.
Okay.
And then it was
And I'm like, I am 3 months with my same wife, you know, with
no.
very
The
happy.
second part was learning. हम जिस इंडस्ट्री से आते हैं उसमें वर्कलोड बहुत ज्यादा होता है, छोटा बड़ा, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक पाइल अप. सो इन दिस टाइम्स वी गॉट टू लर्न टू द इंडस्ट्री पीपल, जो बड़े हैं, जो इन द टर्म्स बड़ा बिजनेस करते हैं. वी गॉट टू लर्न हाउ दे डू. एंड द थर्ड पार्ट वाज द टेक्नोलॉजी. जैसे हम आज वेबएक्स पे कर रहे हैं, जूम पे कर रहे हैं, तो वी केम अक्रॉस द थिंग्स लाइक कि हम ऐसे भी काम कर सकते हैं. Why we have to travel all the way to Surat to somebody to show the product? We can make a file, we can make a project, and we can show them online. We can do much with the technology. There is a far things what we can do with the technology.
Happiness index will always be your happiness index. It doesn't go with the areas of your life. And because areas of your life are situations, they are not problems. We'll talk about it, otherwise we'll never finish the session. So, Neha,
I'm at 8. I'm at
You're
8
eight.
because I think this is the first time I have ever realized that there are so many things I can do on my own, thanks to the technology and everything. And I don't have to really rely on people. It's because I have got so much time on hand to figure things out, to learn things, new things. I'm very happy about that. And also I've given so much importance to fitness in this time. It makes me feel great. It's everything. It's the family time. It's business. Business, of course. We all are it, but it's okay. I'm happy.
It's showing me that 5 minute में शायद ये end हो जाएगा, तो we will log in वापस.
because I think WebEx doesn't allow you to do more than 1 hour, so they'll automatically log us out. We'll restart the